Good morning to all my students. Today we are going to discuss the solution of sample question paper of mathematics standard for class 10 for session 2022 to 23. Let us start. You know, in section A there are 20 questions of 1 marks each. You have to answer all the questions. So let's start from question number 1. In question number 1, it is given that let a and b be two positive integers such that a equals to p cube q to the power 4 and p equals to p square q cube, where p and q are prime numbers. If HCF of AB is equals to p to the power m q to the power n and LCM of AB is equals to p to the power r q to the power s, then you have to find m plus n into r plus s equals to what? Question number 1. Here A equals to p cube q to the power 4 and b equals to p square q to the power q cube, है ना? And HCF of AB, it is given that it is p to the power m q to the power n, and you know the HCF of this and this is equals to p square q cube. You know, HCF is the highest common factor. So highest common factor of A and B is p square q cube. So here m equals to 2 and n equals to 3. And the LCM of means least common multiple. Least common multiple of AB is given that p to the power r q to the power s, and the LCM of this and this, that is A and B, is equals to p cube q to the power 4. So r equals to 3 and s equals to 4. So m plus n into r plus s is equals to m plus n. M is 2 and n is 3. So 2 plus 3 into r 3 plus 4. So 5 into 7, that is 35. So your answer is C. Okay. In question number 2, let P be a prime number. The quadratic equation having its roots as factor of P is which one? You know, if P is a factor of a quadratic equation, then the equation must satisfied by x equal to P. So if you follow the given option, you will find second equation, that means equation in option B is satisfied by x equals to P. So option B is your correct answer. Okay. Question number 2. See, x square minus p plus 1 into x plus p. If x equals to p, then p square minus p plus 1 into p plus p is equals to p square minus p square minus p plus p. So the result is 0. That means the second equation, that is equation in option B, is satisfied by x equal to p. So your answer is B. Okay. Question number 3. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx equals to px squared minus 2x plus 3p and alpha plus beta equals to alpha beta, then p is what? You know, if alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial, then sum of the zeros equals to minus b by a. That means minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and product of the zeros is equals to c by a. That means constant term by coefficient of x square. Here it is also given that alpha plus beta equals to alpha beta. So substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, you will have the value of p. Let us see. Question number 3. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx equal to this and alpha plus beta equals to alpha beta, then p is. See, here fx is equals to px square minus 2x plus 3p, and alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So here it is equals to minus 2 minus of minus 2 by p, that is 2 by p, and alpha beta equals to c by a. Here it is 3p by p, that is equals to 3. And it is given that alpha plus beta equals to alpha beta. Therefore 2 by p is equals to 3. So p is equals to 2 by 3. 2 by 3, that means answer B. Your answer will be option B. Okay. Question number 4. If the system of equation this and this is inconsistent, then k equals to what? You know, if two linear equations is inconsistent, that means they do not have any solution. Geometrically, that means the given lines are parallel to each other. So the condition of inconsistency is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. Question number 4. Here the given equations are 3x plus y equals to 1 and 2x minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equals to 2k plus 1. Since the given equations are inconsistent, that means they do not have any solution. Geometrically, this means these given lines are parallel to each other. And you know, the condition for inconsistency is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Solving this, you will find the value of k as 2. So your answer is option D. Okay. Question number 5. Here the vertices of a parallelogram PQRS are PQ, R and S. The coordinate of three vertices P, Q and R is given, and you have to find the coordinate of the fourth vertex S. You know, the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. Using this property, you can solve this question. So first consider the coordinate of the fourth vertices is as xy, then find the midpoint of PR and QS separately. These 2 points will be the same point from this you can find the value of x and y, that means the coordinate of the whole vertex. Let us see. The parallelogram PQRS. Here the vertices of PQ and R is given. P is 3, 4, Q is -2, 3 and R is -3, -2. Let the coordinate of four vertices, that is S, be x, y. Okay. Since the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, so the midpoint of PR and the midpoint of SQ is same point. Let this point be T. So the midpoint of SQ is T, that means x1 plus x2 by 2, here x minus 2 by 2, and y1 plus y2 by 2, that is y plus 3 by 2. Another way, the midpoint of RS, that is T, is 3 minus 3 by 2, 4 minus 2 by 2, and it is equals to 0, 1. So x minus 2 by 2 equals to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0. That implies x equals to 2. And y plus 3 by 2 equals to 1. That implies y plus 3 equals to 2. So y equals to minus 1. So the coordinate of S is 2, minus 1. So your answer is option C. Option C. Okay. Question number 6. In question number 6, two triangles ABC and PQR are similar to each other, and AM and PN are altitude of these two triangles. It is also given that AB square is to PQ square equals to 4:9. You have to find AM is to PN. Here, since two triangles are similar to each other, so ratio of their areas is equals to square of the ratios of their corresponding sides, and it is also equals to square of the ratios of their corresponding altitude. So AB square by PQ square equals to 4:9, that is equals to AM square by PN square. So AM square by PN square is also equals to 4:9. From this, we will have the value of AM is to PN as 2:3. So your answer is option D. Okay, let us see. In question number 6, it is given that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and AB square is to PQ square equals to 4:9. You know, if two triangles are similar to each other, then ratio between their areas is equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means AB square by PQ square, and you also know that is equals to square of the ratios of their corresponding altitude also. That means AM square by PN square. Since AB square by PQ square is 4:9, so AM square by PN square is also equals to 4:9. So AM is to PN equal to 2:3. So your answer is option D. Question number 7. X tan 60 degree into cos 60 degree is equals to sin 60 degree into cot 60 degree. You have to find the value of x. Simply substitute the values of tan 60 degree, cos 60 degree, sin 60 degree and cot 60 degree. After substituting these values and solving, that is simplifying, you will find the value of x. Here the value of x will be 1 by root 3, and among the given condition tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So your answer will be option B, tan 30 degree. Okay. Here x tan degree cos 6 degree is equals to sin 60 degree cot 60 degree. Simply substitute these trigonometric values. So x into tan 60 degree is root 3, cos 60 degree is half, and sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, and cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. So after simplification, you will have x equals to 1 by root 3. And you know 1 by root 3 is equals to tan 30 degree. So your answer is option B. Okay. Question number 8. Sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 3. Then find the value of tan theta plus cot theta. Simplify this. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, then after simplifying and using the value sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 2, you will have the desired result. Okay, let us see. Question number 8. It is given that sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 and tan theta plus cos theta equals to what? So tan theta plus cot theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta, and this is equals to sin theta cos theta, LCM of the denominator, and on numerator it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, so 1 by sin theta cos theta. Now you have to find the value of sin theta cos theta. Since it is given that sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 2, so squaring both sides, you have this square equal to root 2 square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is root 2 square is 2, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 2. So sin theta cos theta is equals to 2 minus 1 1 by 2. So 1 by sin theta cos theta is equals to 2. So your answer is option B. Okay. In question number 9, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to side BC, and AE equal to A unit, EC equals to B unit, DE equal to X unit, and BC equals to Y unit. Since D is parallel to BC, so triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar to each other. Since these two triangles are similar to each other, so the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So AE by AC is equals to DE by BC. Now substitute here A, B, X and Y. You will have a relation between AB, XY, and that will be your answer. Okay. In question number 9, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, and AE equals to A and EC AC equals to B, DE equals to X, and BC equals to Y. Since DE is parallel to BC, so these two triangles ADE and ABC are similar to each other. Since these two triangles are similar, so ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So you may write AE by AC equals to DE by BC. Here AE is A and AC is equals to A plus B. A plus B is equals to DE. DE is X and BC is Y. You have to find the value of X. So X equals to AY by A plus B. So your answer is option C. Question number 10. ABCD is a trapezium and AD is parallel to BC. AD is 4 cm. If the diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O such that AO by OC equals to DO by OB equals to half, then BC. You know, in a trapezium, if two diagonal intersect each other, then the triangle formed here, it will be AOC and AOD and BOC. Question number 10. ABCD is a trapezium. AD is parallel to BC and AD equal to 4 cm. If the diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O such that AO by OC equals to DO by OB equals to half, then find BC. Here, since two diagonal intersect each other, so two triangles forms with the parallel side are similar to each other. Using the property of similarity, you can find the length of BC. See. Here ABCD is a trapezium and AD is parallel to BC, and the diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O. So triangle AOD and triangle COB are similar. Since this angle equal to this angle, alternate angle, and this angle equal to this angle, also alternate angle, and this angle equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. Since these two triangles are similar to each other, therefore ratios of their corresponding sides are same. So AO by OC equals to DO by OB equals to half equals to AD by BC. So AD by BC equals to half. Since AD is given 4 cm, so BC is 8 cm. So your answer is option C. Okay. Thank you. Okay. This is all for today's video. We will discuss the next question and answer on my next video. Thank you.